What if I told you that the way you peel bananas, store food, and even put on deodorant is all wrong? These tiny mistakes seem harmless, but they could be costing you time, money, and even your health. Stick around because today we're fixing 16 everyday habits you've probably been getting totally wrong. Here are the 16 simple things you have been doing wrong your whole life. Number 1. Don't shop while hungry. Shopping on an empty stomach is a trap. Your brain craves high-calorie, comfort foods, leading to impulse buys and a blown budget. Eat a light snack before shopping. You'll make smarter and healthier choices. Number 2. Drinking water. Gulping water all at once doesn't hydrate you well. Your body absorbs water best when you sip it slowly throughout the day. So ditch the chug and go. Stay consistently hydrated instead. Number 3. Drinking coffee first thing in the morning. Your body's cortisol levels, which is your body's response to stress, are already high. Although drinking coffee in the morning can be beneficial for some individuals, potentially reducing the risk of death and heart disease, it's important to note that these benefits seem to be more pronounced when coffee is consumed in the morning hours, potentially due to its impact on circadian rhythms and the absorption of antioxidants. Drink water first, then wait 60-90 minutes after waking before having coffee. This aligns better with your body's cortisol rhythm. Number 4. Brushing your teeth right after eating. Brushing too soon after meals, especially acidic ones, can damage enamel. Wait at least 30 minutes after eating especially acidic foods like citrus or soda before brushing. This gives enamel time to reharden. Number 5. You're peeling bananas incorrectly. Most people peel bananas from the stem, but monkeys do it better. Peel the banana from the bottom instead. This method allows for less crushing of the fruit, reduces the chance of damaging the stem, and can make the peel more readily separable. Time for a pop quiz. What is the most safest country in the world? Time's up. Are you ready for the answer? The answer was Iceland. Congratulations if you got that right. Iceland is considered the safest country in the world due to its extremely low crime rate, lack of a standing military, and strong social cohesion. The police are unarmed, and violent crime is rare. Its political stability, high standard of living, and well-functioning public institutions also contribute to its peaceful society. Additionally, Iceland's remote location and small population further enhance its security and overall safety. Now, back to the 16 simple things you have been doing wrong your whole life. Number 6. Sleeping with the wrong pillow. Most people just grab any pillow and crash, but the right pillow can improve your sleep and spine health. Back sleeper? Use a thinner pillow. Side sleeper? Go for a thicker, firmer one and put another between your legs. You should also sleep with a pillow under your knees to reduce lower back strain. Number 7. Storing bread in the fridge. Putting bread in the fridge actually makes it go stale faster. This happens because cold temperatures speed up starch crystallization, making it dry and hard. Store it in a bread box or at room temperature in a cool, dry place. Want it to last longer? Freeze it and toast slices as needed. Number 8. You've been cracking eggs wrong. Most people crack eggs on the edge of a bowl, but that increases the chances of shell fragments falling in. Instead, crack it on a flat surface like your countertop. This gives a cleaner break and makes it easier to separate whites from yolks. Number 9. Putting on deodorant in the morning. Deodorant works best at night while you sleep. It needs time to block sweat glands before you start sweating. Put it on before bed and you'll stay fresher longer the next day. Number 10. Making your bed immediately after waking up. Your bed traps moisture and body heat overnight. Making your bed up right away seals in humidity, creating a cozy environment for dust mites. Pull back the covers and let the bed air out for 20 to 30 minutes before making it. It helps keep your mattress drier and cleaner. Puzzle time. Guess the riddle. David's parents have 3 sons, Snap, Crackle, and what's the name of the third son? time's up. Are you ready for the answer? The answer was David. Congratulations if you got that right. Now, back to the 16 simple things you have been doing wrong your whole life. Number 11, toilet paper orientation. Hanging the toilet roll over is generally more hygienic and convenient. It reduces contact with walls and holders where bacteria can accumulate, making it cleaner and easier to grab. It also allows better control, reducing waste, and is how most manufacturers design their rolls to be used. The over-orientation looks tidier, aligns with common standards, and was even specified in the original toilet paper patent. Number 12, misusing your refrigerator. Most people don't realize they're using their fridge incorrectly. The top shelf of the fridge is usually slightly warmer, making it best for ready-to-consume foods like yogurt and cooked meats and beverages like drinks. This helps prevent cross-contamination and keeps food safe. However, fridge temperatures can vary by model, so food placement should be adjusted to suit your specific appliance. Keep dairy, like milk and cheese, on the middle shelf and store raw meat on the bottom shelf where it's coldest. Use the high humidity drawer for leafy greens and the low humidity one for fruits to help them stay fresh longer. Avoid putting eggs or milk in the door since it's the warmest spot. And don't overcrowd your fridge. Cold air needs space to circulate. Number 13, charging your phone overnight. Leaving your phone plugged in overnight keeps it at 100% for hours, and that wears down the battery over time. Instead, unplug at 80 to 90% or use a smart charger that stops when it's full. Number 14, storing fruits and vegetables. Not everything belongs in the fridge. Storing fruits and vegetables the right way keeps them fresher longer. Some items, like tomatoes, bananas, onions, garlic, and potatoes, should not go in the fridge. They do better in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place. Avocados and citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, can also stay at room temperature unless you want a slow ripening. On the other hand, items like berries, leafy greens, carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower should be refrigerated, with greens wrapped in paper towels to absorb excess moisture. Apples last longer in the fridge, but should be kept away from ethylene-sensitive produce. Knowing which items need cool storage and which don't can help reduce spoilage and food waste. Number 15, juicing oranges and other citrus fruits. Most people juice citrus by grabbing a cold orange, slicing it across the middle, and squeezing it by hand until their palms ache, and then wonder why there's barely any juice. The truth is, that method wastes a lot. For better results, microwave the fruit for 10-15 seconds to loosen it up, then roll it firmly on the counter. Cut it lengthwise to expose more juice canals, and use a proper tool like a lever press, electric juicer, or handheld squeezer for a much higher yield. No juicer? Stick a fork into the fruit and twist while squeezing. For seed-free juice, strain it through a mesh sieve and save the pulp for cooking or smoothies. It's packed with flavor and fiber. Number 16, throwing out overripe bananas. Overripe bananas are naturally sweet, full of nutrients, and easy to digest, making them perfect for banana bread, muffins, pancakes, smoothies, or even dairy-free ice cream. You can also freeze them for later use. They work well in DIY face masks too. Their vitamins and antioxidants help moisturize the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy glow. Instead of tossing them out, using overripe bananas helps cut down on food waste and saves money. So, how many of these were you doing wrong? Be honest. It's surprising how often we pick up habits or ideas that seem helpful, but actually hold us back. The good news? Now you've got the right information. And sometimes it only takes a few small adjustments to see a big difference. If you found yourself thinking, wait, I've been doing that this whole time, you're not alone. We've all been there. The important thing is that you're learning and making progress, and that's what really counts. If this video taught you something new, go ahead and give it a like. It helps more people discover helpful content like this. And if you want more myth-busting, eye-opening tips just like these, make sure to leave a comment and let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We'd love to hear from you as well. Drop a comment below and tell us what surprised you the most and which tip you're going to try out first. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.